Hey the traders, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're diving into a scalping strategy tailor-made for the fast-paced world of 1-minute time frames and above. Now you might be wondering why trade on such a quick chart. It's all about efficiency, especially for those with busy schedules or looking to add some extra action to their trading routine. Whether you're a part-time trader or just want to spice up your portfolio with some rapid fire trades, this strategy could be right up your alley. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address some key points. First off, this strategy can be applied across various markets, crypto, indices, Forex, you name it. However, if you're trading Forex, stick to major currency pairs for better liquidity and stability. And when it comes to crypto, focus on the big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum for smoother trading. Now let's talk tools. For this strategy, we're primarily using two key indicators, 10-1 moving averages and a modified stochastic oscillator. Don't worry if you're not familiar with them. I've got you covered. Just fire up your trading platform, add those indicators, and let's roll. Although these are enough for a powerful trading strategy, they are basic ones, so learn it. And then by the end of the video, I have even better and most up-to-date versions of both so you can amp up your strategy even more. So what's the game plan? First, we set up our EMAs specifically. 50 period EMA are faster one and a 100 period EMA are smoother one. These act as our trend identifiers. When the 50 EMA crosses above the 100 EMA, that's our cue for a potential uptrend, aka the golden cross. Conversely, when the 50 EMA crosses below the 100 EMA, that's the death cross, signaling a possible downtrend. Now onto our stochastic oscillator. Instead of the traditional version, we're using a tweaked version for better accuracy. Once we have our golden cross confirmation, we wait for the price to dip into oversold territory on the stochastic, then bounce back up, crossing above a certain threshold. This serves as our confirmation for a long trade. Hold your horses, we're not done yet. We need to be patient for the right setup. Remember, we're looking for that perfect storm of signal cross, pullback, stochastic confirmation. No rushing into trades based on one indicator alone. Patience. Now let's talk timing for Forex. Aim for the London or overlapping London-New York sessions for optimal volatility. As for crypto, skip the weekends when things tend to be quieter. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. All right, let us see it in action. I will walk you through some live examples, highlighting where to enter trades, set stop losses, and take profits. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a FundedNext account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With FundedNext, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Trade with peace of mind thanks to our intelligent drawdown calculations. No unnecessary stress, just smooth sailing towards your trading goals. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with FundedNext. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join FundedNext today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext. And hey, don't forget about risk management. Proper position sizing and leverage are crucial to keeping your trading account healthy. And guess what? I've back-tested this strategy and the results are impressive. With a solid plan and disciplined execution, you could be looking at some serious gains. So there you have it. Lightning fast scalping strategy designed to keep you in and out of the markets with precision. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more trading tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated and get questions or your insights to share. Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy trading.